नमस्कार सभी को, आशा किरण चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम दीक्षा कोर्स एक्शन रिसर्च की क्विज़ सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और सब्सक्राइब की राइट साइड में जो बेल आइकन है उसको भी प्रेस कर देंगे ताकि मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल सकें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच टेंस इज़ टू बी यूज फॉर राइटिंग रिसर्च रिपोर्ट? करेक्ट आंसर है पास्ट टेंस। Next question, APA stands for American Psychological Association. Action research means a research initiated to solve an immediate problem. Which one of the following is an objective? To compare the change mean score of achievement test in educational technology of boys and girls. Next question, what is the purpose of conducting a review of related literature? Answer है third and fourth. Sample, tool, experimental design are included in which part of action research? Correct answer है methodology. Next question. In the process of conducting research, formulation of hypothesis is followed by selection of research tools. Next question. Which of the following is not true? Correct answer है discovery is systematic in nature. Next question. Basic, applied and action research are the types of research based on degree of utility. What is the purpose of action research methodology? To solve a problem or to obtain information in order to inform local practice. Next question. Which of the following terms represents the average of the numbers? Mean. Correct answer है mean. Next question. Action research is dash in nature. Correct answer है experimental. Next question. Which one is a tool for data collection? Correct answer है attitude scale. Next question. The process of selecting samples from the population is called sampling. Next question. Srivastava Rajesh 2016, A Critical Study of Gender Difference in Politics, Modern Indian Education, 37 to pp 11 to 24. In the above mentioned sentence, the highlighted portion represents what? Correct answer है volume number. Dash is defined as a sampling technique in which the researcher chooses samples from a large population using a method based on the theory of probability. Correct answer है probability sampling. References are mentioned in which part of report writing? Correct answer is supplementary. Next question. APA format is followed while writing the table of contents. Next question. There is no significant difference between the mean score of achievement in fractions in mathematics of students before and after having taught by ICT integrated based method. Which type of hypothesis the statement represent? Correct answer is null hypothesis. Next question. The process part of action research consists of title, objective, hypothesis, methodology, procedure of data collection and data analysis. Next question. What are the areas where you cannot apply action research? Survey of schools in a district. The process of selecting samples from the population is called sampling. Sample, tool, experimental design are included in which part of action research? Methodology. What is the purpose of conducting a review of related literature? Third and fourth. Which of the following will be in the research proposal? Objectives. Action research refers to a process of inquiring about problems and taking action to solve them. Next question. Which one is research method among the following? Experimental method. Next question. In the process of conducting research, formulation of hypothesis is followed by statement of objectives. Based on the types of information or data, the types of research are 2. Action research means a research initiated to solve an immediate problem. Next question. Which is not the type of reliability? Construct. Data interpretation is based on generalization. Which of the following is the best standard deviation result? 1.5. Next question. Which one of the following step is not essential in action research? Formulation of hypothesis. What are the areas where you cannot apply action research? Survey or of schools in a district. Experimental research is systematic and dash approach to research. Scientific. Which one is not an example of quantitative data? Interview. Review research literature belongs to which stage? Plan. Choose the correct order of the steps in action research. Identification of problem, collection and organization of data, interpretation of data, action based on data, reflection. Action research is most appropriate when teachers try to correct something that is not working. Which of the following is quantitative research? Experimental research. Which of the following is the limitation of action research? It is difficult to determine the validity and reliability of linguistic data. A dash is a research approach that is used to generate an in-depth, multifaceted understanding of a complex issue in its real-life context. Case study. The following picture represents pie chart. Which of the following test is not based on the purpose? Aptitude test. Who is the father of action research? Kurt Lewin. Choose the correct order of steps in action research. Identification of problem, collection and organization of data, interpretation of data, action based on data, reflection. Which of the following is not related to the criticism of action research? Findings will have implications on classroom practices.